Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. So today is another video of the talking video, but this time it's different because today I got sponsor from the brand Blippo. Yeah, I might spell it right, like B-L-I-P-P-O, and they sent me a sticker in order to show you guys what's inside here. For the link I provide below in the description, when you purchase any of their product, you will get a free gift from that link. So if you want any sticker from Blippo, you can click on the link below in the description and get a free gift when you purchase anything. No minimum or any like purchase price, so you can buy whatever you want and get the gift. So right now I'm gonna show you guys what's inside here. Wow, this is a nice packaging. So I love this heart here. It's really cool. Oh my god, I need to... Okay, that's all right. So let's see the first thing from here. Yeah, so this is the name of their company, Blippo. It's a little bit hard to pronunciation, but it's still good. Okay, so this is the banner. Don't quit your daydreams. So all these material are available in their website, so you can go and double check, especially with the Kawaii box. So it's something maybe like a blind box of the Kawaii sticker or stuff. And your order was packed with love and care by Goofy. So I'm not sure, but maybe that guy may be named Goofy, and this is like their animation. And right now we got another one, lunchtime sparkle. Keep your lunch fresh and happy all day. So this one you need to pack. You can pack one inside, and it is look like Kawaii bag. So yeah, you can buy from Amazon or from the Blippo by yourself. And also this one, your purchase made our day. So this is their groups that open that small business. So I think it's supposed to be Chinese and Japanese. Yeah, Japan and China's company. So this is where the order, or also you can check in my description. And also they have a backpack too. So this is a Kawaii backpack with a little bit a little stick, not a sticker, but like a doodle. So anyone like a doodle sticker, you can go for this. And can you see that? They do have a bottle of water as a Kawaii, yeah, animation. So sparkle every day, make your school day happy with a new bestie. Yeah, so the same place. And the last one, this is like a happy time. This is some the whole set that I showed you guys before. So it have a backpack, it will have a lunch bag, have a pencil bag, and a bottle. Wow, this is so cute! Sanrio with the Blippo. So this is the exclusive Cinnamoro Christmas plushie. So you can go and have a look. Oh, I never know that they work with Sanrio either. That's really cool. So this is something from them. So it's supposed to be, they have like the little twin star. Sorry, not twinkle star. Little twin star. Yeah, over here. I think Kiki and Lala, is it right? And this, and also with Chikawa. Oh my god, this is really popular, you know, in Japan and also in China. So you can go and have a look. Okay, now let's move on to the main point that they send me the packaging. And this is the bubble, like a sponge bubble. So this is just like protection, but I really love how they use this kind of thing because it is the heart shape. It is my first time. I swear this is my first time to get like this packaging inside. So it's really cool. So this is the sticker. Oh my god, my heart is falling down. So put it back. Okay, so this is the main point that they sent me about the sticker. So this is the bag. So this bag is useful. You can use for something else if you don't want to put the sticker. So I think when you purchase something from there, they might send you that one. Surprising sticker bag. I see. So this is why I said this is like a blind box or blind bag stuff for the sticker. So you know, I rarely see something with the blind box of the sticker. So it's really cool. So let's see one by one. So I don't show you guys all. I will take one by one and see together. Oh my god, this is so cute. So cute. This is made in China, but obviously it is a Japanese product. Let me check. Oh, this sticker is the bubble sticker. Here. Can you see that? Oh my goodness, this is really cute. This is this is my first time to see any kawaii sticker that is really cute like that. Look at this. It just feels like Solomon to me, but it is not Solomon. And not sure what the name, because like they write in the Japanese one, not in English, so I cannot tell you guys what is this. So this is nice. Let's see for more. Hey, what's this? Deco sticker, chain closed little farm. Ah, I see. So this one have 15 design plus, not plus, 15 design of 45 piece. So it's supposed to be with head, with clothes, and other dress style. Yeah, just like this. So I just don't take it out because it will fall down. It is really mini sticker. So this is the deco sticker. So this one you can use on your journal or even on your like material, like a book, a cover, or any case. You can put on that. But the thing is that for this sticker, if you do like a journal, like a binder journal that I used to do before, like a scrapbook, so you can use it to add on the external one. So this is nice. So I think I might use this kind of material to put in my journal. Maybe I can't promise next time, but I will do with that because this sticker is really cute. Okay, what is this? Sticker flag. Okay, so oh my god. This one, it just feel like stamp, like a sticker stamp. Okay. So it's come with a few of them, just like 4, and it is glitter. Just hold on, I show you guys of them. This is star. I don't know how to use this, but I think this is just normal peeling sticker. So this one, it have like a glitter at the background, so I might see how it works. Cool. So okay, it's just like this. It's just like a no peeling sticker, but the thing is that it have like a glitter at the background. So you know, like it is like one style from them. Let's see for more. Another Japanese. This is so nice. It just look like, I think Saba. Is it right? What is that dog name? I forgot. Is it Saba, right? Yeah, this is Japanese product. So this is like a peeling sticker, like a PVC. This, yeah, the same one. So this is all Japanese word. If you like something with Japanese, you may follow that. Okay, so this is the same one, just different color. Okay, this is different. Wow, so this is a bubble sticker. It's about your dog. I think several dog is over here. This is the Gucci. I know Gucci. This is a Dutch Hunt. And I don't know what name anymore. Yeah, I don't know the name of the dog clearly, but actually I know this guy. Gucci. So this is the bubble sticker one. Oh my god. Finally, yes, I'm looking for this kind of stickers. It's called 3D bubble sticker or what else, I forgot. So can you see that? I love this material. So you can stick it on your journal or the decoration on the binder journal that I say before. So this is nice to make with the scrapbook, or well, you can use on your material like cake, something like that. Oh, my melody! This is a fine cut from my melody. It is super cool with the golden background. And this is product from the Sanrio. So this is the authentic one. So you can try and have a look over there. And come on. Wow, this is a signing sticker. Like a laser sticker with the bunny. I think if you can read Japanese word, you can... Oh, this bag is so nice. If you can read the Japanese word, you will know what is this, the name. But I can't. Yeah, truly I can't. So this is the last piece from the bag. So nothing else. Okay, guys. So if you want to purchase any of the sticker, you can go to their website and have a look. So I think it is about $22 for this whole thing. Yeah, I think it is $22, so it is affordable for you guys. If you like this kind of sticker, you can have a look over there, or they have another sticker. Okay, thanks you guys for supporting me, because of all of you supporting me, that is why they send me the product. Okay, thank you again, and see you in next video. Bye bye.